vote buying yung mga ayuda syempre. Actually,
Ay,
mas narinig ko 'to sa mga kasambahay namin kasi nagtatanong ako if kumukuha ba sila. Actually,
Mm.
ito sad, nagde-day off talaga sila just to go home and kasi may group chat, they say na may ayuda. Kailangan talaga nila. But ang catch is that some of them kuha ayuda but they don't vote for that person. They just really need extra help. Yun lang talaga. But then, syempre, the fact na, biro mo yun, ngayon pa lang, or kahit last, wala pang election period, ano siya, ongoing, nakakatakot, lalo na sa
Yeah.
mga probinsya. Sobra. Tapos ang laki, 5K, ganyan.
Oh,
Wow,
wow.
One
per
person, 5K?
person?
Per
Uwi
person. It's
uwi
not per
talaga.
family.
Wow,
Oo.
Person.
I know.
So, kung botante kayong 5 magkakapatid,
Oo, 25K for the
5K,
family.
5K, 5K.
Ay,
Yes.
perfect.
Good
Yung
mo.
politiko na yon, alam mong binibili yung boto mo, aside from the fact na dapat alam mong mali yon, isipin mo din on the other end of that, kapag nanalo yung politikong yon, imagine yung ginastos niya para bilhin ang
Exactly.
libo-libo, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of votes.
Yes.
Niya babawiin yung
Totoo.
ininvest niyang
Pera.
Yeah.
vote buying. Di syempre,
Correct.
bawi niya in some other way. So, super red flag talaga ang vote buying.
Yeah.